Dirisha Camp is one of those rare places where you don't just stay in the Masai Mara, you become part of it. From the very first moment we arrived, we felt it. The stillness of the plains, the soft breath of wind through the acacias, and the slow, steady voice of the river below. Everything around us seemed alive, and yet perfectly at peace. During the day, the bush never truly slept. Elephants appeared from the riverbed, calm, powerful, walking silently beneath the cliffs. Sometimes they paused, lifting their trunks to catch a scent in the air. Around the camp, life was everywhere. Weavers chattered above our tent, the soft rustle of grass whispering in the background. The days felt timeless. A rhythm of light, wind, and wildness. Then came evening. The sun slipped low, setting the plains on fire with gold. The air cooled. The world fell quiet, and the night began to speak. From far away came the first whoops of hyenas, faint, uncertain, then closer. Their laughter rolled through the darkness, echoing across the river. Every night at Dirisha was different. Every sound, a story. What makes Dirisha unforgettable isn't comfort or luxury, it's presence. It's lying in your tent at midnight, hearing elephants tearing branches just meters away. It's waking to the sound of hippos grunting through the misty dawn. It's that deep, quiet heartbeat of the wild, ancient, steady, and real. Dirisha Camp isn't just a place to stay. It's a place to feel Africa, to listen, to breathe, and to remember what silence truly sounds like.